Welcome back to another tutorial. This time I'm going to show you how to make payments through the Ridelink app. So when you go to down here, one of the options you see there is a card icon. So when you click it, you will be taken to the payment page. So as you can see, you have a field that is telling you select an order to pay for, and when you select, they will show you all the orders that you have available that you had made. As you can see here, latest orders, you can select the order. So at the moment we have computers, you select it. Then now when you select it, the amount field will be pre-filled with half the amount. The idea is to enable customers pay halfway as proceed, but this amount can also still be edited according to what you had agreed with the sales agent. So now you go ahead and put in your number. So after putting in your number, I will test with a lesser amount, let's say 500 shillings. Then I'll click make payments. So when I click make payment, it shows that the payment is being processed. After that, I'll be prompted to enter my PIN and I'll pay. So for now, I'm going to first pause so that I don't expose my PIN. So I have approved the payment, as you can see. So now if I go to, there is now a new button that has come, which is for check payment status. When you check payment status, you'll see that the payment has been sent to the vendor. Then from the vendor, the payment is now fully successful. So this is for refreshing the status in case maybe you had a delay in the payment. It maybe have stopped along, like sent to vendor. You can refresh, and if the money was successfully sent, it would show you. So now when you click view transaction details, it will show you how much you had paid, and it will show you your name and the number and the transaction charges involved. If you exit this page, just say you went back to your home, you come back, you see that you cannot see that option of check payment status, but you can view transaction history, and you see a card here that will show you. Now this is the amount that was invoiced, and the number that you used to pay, and the date on which the payment was made. When you open it, it will show you the details of the payment. So now the fetch is complete. As you can see, that was the payment that was made. Another way of accessing the payment history is by clicking this button here for the menu. When you click it, you will be shown a transaction history section. So when you click it, you'll be able to be brought back. That is it for payments in Ridelink. Thank you.